What's up guys, it's TFT's channel. Today I am unboxing and first look the Gamesir G5. It's a master of the PUBG gaming controller and it's looking really amazing and amazing feature is a touch sensitive available. Okay, I am first unboxing and later look the pro at biggest problems. Yes, cons. Okay, box looking good and box front side logos and back side some effects here, but it's always the waste. I don't like this too much. Okay, let's open the box and box inside or mini box here now and mini box inside. Let's open the box. Yeah, inside the joystick here. Wow, it's looking really amazing. It's plastic. It's not the metal. It's fully plastic, but it's looking pretty good and very shining. Okay, I'm later look the tip. More inside one USB cable here. It's using to charging your joystick. It's a micro USB cable. More one setup guide because it's how to use and blah blah blah. It's not used. Okay guys, let's look the joystick. It's really amazing. The handling feeling is really cool. Lot of the functions here on L1 to L2, L3, L4 and as well as L5, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. Lot of the functions here. Always you use the stand, mobile stand. Yeah, you put the stand to play games is cool. Yeah guys, it supports this 6.8 inch screen, also support this stand. And okay, this is center button is the on off button and long press to turn on. This blue lights the blinking. This is the really amazing and best control for the PUBG gaming and biggest games always support this function. But small issues here now, I'm later tell the issues. Okay guys, then how to connect and how to play PUBG game. Do you know? Let's watch now. Okay, left side the Galaxy S9 Plus and right side the joystick. Just turn on the joystick first, then turn on the Bluetooth on mobile. Automatically it's connect the joystick. The Gamesir G5 is connected and just turn on Wi-Fi because playing PUBG and TF test 4G. Okay, cool. Okay, joystick is already connected. I'm just testing on normal. Okay, normally it's working fine. It's a score. See guys, clearly watch and the Chrome, YouTube, camera. Yeah, it's normally working fine. I am without apps using to directly play PUBG. It's a beta version. One issues here, so I am play beta version, not the main. Okay, so fine. Okay, home screen it's not work the touch and any buttons in PUBG. Okay, let's game it started. First I'm testing the touch sensitive. Touch sensitive is working fine, but it's not the fast. It's really slowly working. And otherwise, buttons, move arrows, and R1, R2, R3, L1, L2, and number 1, 2, 3, X1, X plus. No function keys is doesn't to work. Then how to play? How to use this joystick? Do you know, guys? Yes, only one app used to play this game. This name is Autopass. But the biggest problem is this app used to you play the PUBG game. Your main account is banned. I not get any issues because lot of the viewers comment in the comment sections and this app ban your PUBG account. So mostly I'm recommend guys you only play beta version, not try the main PUBG account. Okay, and this autobus is working only for your key selections. I'm already set the low of the keys. Okay, just I am testing the PUBG. It's loading. Okay. Well guys, the front screen is the touch sensitive is working fine. It's not bad. Touch is working on the normal home screen. Okay, let's play the game. Well guys, and yeah, it's working fine and touch sensitivity is fastly working. See guys, it's touch sensitivity is working fast and moving fight and the jump. It's always working really good. Okay guys, this is the pro is the master of the gaming controller is working fine and is a fastly use the gaming and lot of the functions available. But what is the con? What is the you disadvantages? Only use on Autobus app or Pandan app. Otherwise, you cannot play this game on use this joystick. You play Panda app or Autobus app, it's directly ban your primary PUBG account. So guys, I mostly recommend you when to play only beta version only. Do not try the main account. I am try because guys, you went to buy this one, link in description, you went to buy, and thanks for the watching.